Guys, this shop is here more than 200 years, right? And this is something very unique. They have stored, hot water in this, and it's crazy, guys. Guys, I was in the bus for almost 40 minutes, so I'm gonna get off this bus now. I'm in a place called Dharamtala, right? So let's go, guys. So I reached to this place called Dharamtala, right? And well, I need to go to a place called Mukherjee Road, right? A few days back I was walking down the lane there, and I spotted this brother, he was selling this tea in a very unique way, right? Well, let's go explore this place and speak to this brother and see the way he makes this unique kind of a tea, right? And he has a big kind of a pot, right, that you don't really see often much in the street of Kolkata, right? So look, guys, I need to cross the road. Let's cross the road now. Oh my goodness. So I need to go somewhere there. Guys, I think this brother is somewhere down here, right? So let's go and find out. I think it's somewhere here. I forgot, Oh, here it is, guys. I found him. Here it is. Look, guys. So look, guys, I was talking about this. The way he makes this is very old school, right? Look, guys. So भैया जी इसमें गर्म पानी है? Oh, guys, look. This is the hot water, container, right? Koila. Okay, so they, boil the water with the charcoal down here, right? That's how they boil the water. Look, guys. So this is very unique that you don't get to see everywhere in Kolkata, right? And yeah, look, guys. This is how it is. So per cup tea, he charges you 15 rupees. So you get black tea as well as milk tea as well, and they serve you in this mud clay pot. And people in Kolkata, they love to have tea, right? And this is something very unique, right, guys? Have you seen something like this? You let me know in the comment, right? So basically they burn the charcoal down there, right, and they keep the water hot, yeah, not warm of course, but hot. हेलो ब्रदर, कैसे आप कैसे हो? अच्छा हो ना आप? हाँ, he's fine, guys, he's fine. So look, guys, so this is how it is. और ये जगह कौन सा है? मुखर्जी रोड, धर्मतला मुखर्जी रोड है ना? Okay, look, guys, and the environment looks like this, where I am. So if you go all the way straight from here, I came all the way from there, right? So Dharamtala is back there, so you have to walk all the way straight. As you can see that big bazaar, or that bazaar, so you have to come all the way straight and you will find this brother here, right? Look, guys, so this is something very unique that I've seen, right? And भैया आपका ये दुकान कितना सालों से?
बहुत दिन से। ब्रिटिश जमाना।
तो भी 100 साल? 212 साल। 200 बरस माने 200 साल। 200 बरस। 200 बरस माने 200 साल है ना? ओके गाइस, 200 बरस मतलब क्या?
200 साल हुआ तो 200 साल
200 साल, okay. Guys, just imagine, this shop is here from, he's saying 200 saal. Well, 200 saal means, 200 years, so this shop is here, more than 200 years, so it's crazy, That's why it's very, old type of, setup that he has here. And look, that's the tea price there, right? and it's called the hot tea, right? This is how it is. और भैया उधर 018 2021 लिखा हुआ है क्यों?
दाम बढ़ा है सो
ओ अच्छा दाम बढ़ा है. Oh, since 2001, they have increased the price, and this shop is here more than 200 years, right? It's crazy, man. So this is something very crazy, guys. Look.
हाँ दिया हुआ चीनी दिया हुआ
This is very, very old school, right? And they have this shop from 200 years, and they have this milk stored in this, bucket here, right? That's the pure milk. Look, guys, this brother just put the charcoal in that, fire pit to get the fire burning, right? It's very smoky in here, right? And look, guys. And this shop is, 200 years old, That's crazy. ये दुकान आपका बाप दादा से चल रहा है ना भैया जी? है ना? हाँ. So it's crazy, guys. This shop is 200 years old. So hello, brother. कैसे हैं आप? आपका नाम क्या है?
संतोष प्रसाद
Okay, nice to meet you, brother.
आयो
Okay, good. Chalo. Okay, guys, that was me trying to show you, a 200 years old shop that you have here in the street of Kolkata, right? So if you come to this place called Dharamtala, like on the way to Mukherjee Road, come and find this brother and try the tea, right? It's very unique and it's very tasty, right? Tea, everybody loves tea here in Kolkata, right? So it's your friend John. Let's make memories, love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye, guys. And please subscribe. Bye bye. Guys, I got a small tea to just sip on it, Cheers.